time for a technical update on the equity markets. The Nifty opened with a gap up today. However, it was not able to sustain onto the early morning gains. Thereafter, for most part of the day, it traded in a sideways manner in a 100-point range with 73.50 on the upside acting as a crucial resistance, while 72.50 on the downside acting as a crucial support. The oil and gas sector major, that is Reliance, ONGC, were some of the draggers in trade today, while on the upside stocks from the IT pack, Infosys, TCS were gained in trade today. HDFC, ITC and M&M were some of the stocks which also closed in the positive today. The advanced decline ratio was pretty impressive for the second running day, with 1250 advances to only 339 declines. Now we will have a look on the daily charts. On the daily charts, we can observe that the Nifty has closed with a gain today. However, it traded in a sideways manner for most part of the day, and there was stock specific action throughout the day. The daily momentum indicator is having a positive crossover, and we can see here that it is holding on to a crucial support trend line. So until and unless we get further indications that the trend might just continue on the upside. Now moving on to the hourly chart of Nifty, we can observe that the Nifty is trading around the 20-hour moving average, and the Bollinger Bands have contracted now, which means that on either side we can get expansion of Bollinger Band, which and it will lead to price action in that direction. Crucial supports for Nifty are placed at 7270 and 7180. 7270 and 7180 are the 20 and 40 hourly moving averages, and on the upside 73.53, which is today's high, and 74.20 on the upside will act as a crucial resistance for the Nifty in the coming trading sessions. Our view on the markets remain positive with a target of 7500 on the upside. Now moving on to the chart of Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty has closed in a negative today, but not a major negative close, just partially. It was majorly trading around its 20 hourly moving average, placed at 15,143. It was trading sideways for most part of the day. Our trend on Bank Nifty also remains positive. Crucial supports for Bank Nifty are placed at 15,032 and 14,787. Crucial resistance is placed at 15,742 and 16,000 odd levels on the upside. And that's all for the day. Thank you.